Communication in organizations. Communication in organizations is the process of conveying information, ideas, messages, or instructions between individuals or groups within an organizational structure. The main purpose of communication in organizations is to ensure smooth operations, coordination between departments, and effective decision-making. Effective communication is essential to creating productive working relationships, building a healthy organizational culture, and achieving common goals. Types of communication in organizations. Vertical communication. Downward vertical communication. Communication that occurs between managers and their subordinates. This is usually in the form of instructions, directions, or feedback about the work to be done. Examples include task reports, orders from superiors, or policy guidelines. Upward vertical communication. Communication from subordinates to superiors, which includes performance reporting, feedback, or requests for necessary information. For example, project reports, suggestions, or problems faced by the team. Horizontal communication. Communication that occurs between co-workers or departments of equal standing in the organization. Horizontal communication aims for coordination and collaboration between sections. Examples include meetings between teams, sharing information between departments, or discussions of operational issues. Diagonal communication. Communication that occurs between individuals at different levels in an organization, but not in a direct structural line. For example, communication between a marketing manager and a finance staff to discuss a campaign budget. Oral communication. Communication that is done directly with words, either verbally in a face-to-face meeting, telephone, or video conference. The advantages are direct interaction, quick feedback, and easier to clarify things that are not understood. Written communication. Communication that is done through written documents such as emails, memos, reports, or announcements. Written communication provides a track record of information that can be stored and referred to, but can be less personal and takes time to get feedback. Communication process in organization. Message sender. The person or party who has the information to be conveyed. Message. information, ideas, or instructions that are to be conveyed to the recipient. Media or communication channel. The method or medium used to convey the message, such as direct conversation, email, telephone, or social media. Message receiver. The person or party who receives and interprets the message delivered. Feedback. The response or reaction from the recipient of the message to the message received, which can clarify or confirm the understanding of the message. Functions of communication in organization. Coordination. Communication ensures that all parts of the organization work together to achieve the same goal. For example, the sales team and the marketing team need to coordinate so that a promotional campaign can be run effectively. Decision-making. Information obtained from communication helps managers make the right decisions. Decisions made based on clear and accurate information will be more effective and efficient. Motivation. Effective communication can improve employee morale. Providing positive feedback or informing team achievements can strengthen employee motivation and engagement in their work. Conflict resolution. Open and honest communication can help resolve conflict in an organization. By listening to all parties and seeking mutually beneficial solutions, communication can ease tensions and build better relationships in the workplace. Building organizational culture. Through communication, the company's values, vision, and mission can be conveyed to all members of the organization. This helps build a cohesive culture, where employees understand and support the goals of the organization. Barriers to organizational communication. Unclear communication. Unclear or ambiguous messages can lead to confusion among the recipients, which can hinder proper understanding and lead to wrong decisions. Language or terminology differences. The use of language or jargon that is not understood by all in the organization can lead to misinterpretation or confusion. Emotional barriers. Stress, tension, or defensiveness can affect communication and lead to misunderstandings. Technological limitations. In some cases, inadequate use of technology or disruptions in communication channels such as email or phone calls can hinder smooth communication. Overly strict hierarchy. In an overly bureaucratic organizational structure, communication can be hampered because each message must pass through many levels before it reaches the right recipient. The importance of effective communication in organizations. Effective communication is essential for the smooth operation and performance of an organization. With good communication, every member of the organization can work more efficiently, understand the company's goals, and be involved in the decision-making process. In this digital era, the ability to communicate effectively through various channels, both verbally and in writing, is a highly valued skill in organizations. Therefore, developing good communication skills at every level of the organization should be a top priority to achieve the company's larger goals. Conclusion. Communication in organizations plays a very important role in creating healthy relationships, good coordination, and increasing productivity. By managing effective communication, organizations can improve work efficiency, reduce conflict, and strengthen company culture. Understanding the types of communication, processes, functions, and barriers to communication greatly helps organizations to improve their performance and achieve common goals.